precious people, what is up? Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another vlog, you guys. Now this vlog, I don't know how and what it is going to be all about, but I have planned a few things to do today, and whatever it is, I will take you guys along with me. So let's start our day with something healthy. So before breakfast I had dry fruits laddu, and then after 10 minutes I did my breakfast while enjoying Big Boss. Then I quickly oiled my hair and had my tea. Hello my precious people. Right now I am done with my shower and freshly done with my skincare, and I am planning to try a new recipe. Now I know it is rarest of the rare things that I plan and I try something new, especially in case of recipes, but today I decided why not, and also I will try to make it more frequent. So yeah, and what I am going to make, I will definitely share it with all of you guys. Fingers crossed that it turns out good. So yeah, let's go and do that. ऑल राइट गाइस, सबसे पहले आई टुक मिल्क एंड उसमें मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ कस्टर्ड पाउडर. नाउ कस्टर्ड पाउडर सुनते ही यू माइट नो कि मैं आज कस्टर्ड बनाने वाली हूँ. दिस इज़ द वन दैट आई यूज्ड बाय द वे, एंड इसकी पूरी रेसिपी आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड इन अ शॉर्ट्स वीडियो विच इज़ ऑलरेडी अप ऑन माई चैनल. एंड इसे बनाना बहुत 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 ज़्यादा ईजी है, प्लस इट टेस्ट्स यम गाइज. इसकी रेसिपी यू विल गेट वेरी इजीली ऑन यूट्यूब. मैंने भी वहीं से फॉलो करा है, एंड रिक्वायर्ड कंसिस्टेंसी मिलने के बाद आई हैव केप्ट इट इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर, एंड उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड चॉपिंग फ्रूट्स. मैंने कुछ 5 टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स लिए हैं, एंड दीज वर बनाना, पोमेग्रेनेट, पपाया, ग्रेप्स and apple, because an apple a day keeps doctor away. So apple is a very healthy fruit, so I thought why not, and it tastes too good with the liquid that we made. So yeah, by the way, fruits chop करना बहुत easy task लगता है, and indeed some fruits are very easy to chop like banana, papaya, but some fruits like apple and pomegranate, इसे चॉप करने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है. यू कैन सी मी स्ट्रगलिंग टू चॉप इट इन दिस वीडियो, ओके. एंड माइंड यू, द नाइफ आई एम यूजिंग इज़ न्यू, सो it is actually difficult to cut pomegranate, okay, but at last we did it. By the way, you might definitely ask me कि मैंने कस्टर्ड ही क्यों बनाया, because मुझे काफ़ी समय से कस्टर्ड खाना था, but it did not happen. So guess what, we made it happen. By the way, fruits chop होने के बाद I added them in the custard milk that we made, gave it a nice mix, and again I kept it in the refrigerator because custard is served cool. So yeah, this is how it looks. I will keep it in the refrigerator for some hours, and now finally it is tasting time. By the way, look, it looks yummy है ना. So let's taste it and see if it actually tastes good या फिर कुछ कमी रह गई थी. And with the very first bite, oh god, each and everything was so perfect, be it the sweetness or the consistency, everything was amazing. I gave myself a pat on the back. This was pure perfection, you guys. So yeah, let me enjoy it now. Hello my precious people, what is up? It is the next day, and कल मैंने बिल्कुल भी vlog नहीं किया because I felt थोड़ा सा sick. So yeah, that's that, and I am sorry for the background noise. Matches are going on, so hence the noise, but can't help it. So what I was saying that अभी literally शाम हो रही है, and I am getting ready because I want to film certain videos. So yeah, that's the reason. So I will quickly get ready. जैसे मैं on a daily basis ready होती हूँ using just 3 to 4 products. So yeah, सबसे पहले I will be doing my brows. Now blush. Now it's time for my favorite product, and I had to talk so much about this product, but you know what, इतनी बुरी तरह से background disturbance है that I am unable to talk about it. Okay, a quick change in the background because वहाँ पे light बहुत बुरी आ रही थी. So I was saying that this is one of my favorite products and I will be talking about this. By the way, not at all sponsored. It's just that I love this product and what this product is, I will talk about it later ahead in this video. Just know that मैंने इसे apply किया है. टाइम हो रहा है अभी 3:58 PM, दैट इज़ 4 बज रहे हैं एंड राइट नाउ आई हैव अप्लाइड इट. ओके, बाय द वे थोड़ा सा पिगमेंट ऑन माई लिप्स बिकॉज I run out of my lip balm, so yeah, but on a daily basis I do not do this. I only apply a tinted lip balm and I am done. So yeah. Hello my precious people, what is up? Currently I am done with my tuitions and look at my face. It is actually looking my skin but better. And right now, वैसे not right now, when I was applying, that time itself I wanted to tell you about this amazing lovely product. Firstly, not at all sponsored, and I am talking about this because I genuinely love this product, and the one I am talking about is this compact which is from Maybelline, and no, not sponsored guys. I am loving this product so much that I have used it this much. I have this one and now have a look at this. I have already purchased the new one because I have reached its span. I am loving this product because one, amazing coverage, two, the shade match. I will literally swatch it for you here. Currently the time is 8:10 PM, so I think I will be keeping it for 11 to 12 and I will show you कब तक ये लॉन्ग लास्ट करता है. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डूइंग दिस. इफ दिस डेफिनेटली हैज़ दैट वाटर रिपेलेंट प्रॉपर्टी एंड आई वॉज वेटिंग टू हिट द पैन एंड आई थॉट दैट इफ जस्ट फॉर अ सेकेंड और टू इफ आई थिंक कि इसने वाटर रिपेल नहीं किया इन माई केस, देन it would get ruined and I did not want to ruin this product. इसलिए I was waiting that I hit the pan, and now that I have hit the pan, I have a little product here and I have a new one. So I am going to test this. I will be dipping this in water and उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि ये water को repel करता है या नहीं. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we are in the washroom and we have filled the mug to the brim. Look at the water repellent technology. It actually passed the test. Alright guys, we did the water repellent test. I am so glad that this product passed the test. Yay, happy dance. I have been waiting to do this for such a long time, I tell you. Now talking about the finish. This is how my face is looking. I applied it at around 4 and right now the time is 8:18 PM and this is how my face is looking right now. हल्का फुल्का shiny on the forehead ये हो चुका है, but the finish I quite like it. Hello my precious people, what is up? I am done with my dinner and right now I am going to do my nighttime skincare, but before that the update about our powder foundation. This is how it is looking right now. Currently the time is 11:17 PM. So let me tell you, I have not done any kind of touch-ups whatsoever throughout the day because I am not in the habit of reapplying products. So yeah, I only reapply my lip balm. About this powder foundation, I am not feeling any kind of dryness or flakiness. The only thing you need to keep in mind while you are applying a powder foundation is that you need to prep your face. That is, you need to do your skincare extremely very well. Now I am going to end this vlog right here because इसके बाद I am going to do the usual stuff of removing my makeup, do my skincare and straight away go to sleep. So yeah, that is that. And if you like such kind of vlogs, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.